Founded in 2017 by Changpeng Zhao, Binance quickly became the largest cryptocurrency exchange globally, offering a wide array of features, including spot, margin, and futures trading, as well as staking, NFTs, and a robust earn program. With 389 plus coins and 1,200 plus pairs, Binance provides a complete crypto ecosystem with competitive fees and extensive educational resources. Binance leads in trading volume, offers 0.1% maker-taker fees, and a 25% discount for BNB holders. The platform provides advanced trading options and a user-friendly mode for beginners. Features like staking, NFT trading, and the Binance Earn program create passive income opportunities. Despite its vast offerings, Binance faces regulatory scrutiny and it's unavailable in the US, redirecting users to Binance.us. Complex interfaces can be overwhelming for beginners, and fiat withdrawal limitations may inconvenience some users in specific regions. Binance could enhance user experience with simplified navigation for newcomers, expand fiat off-ramps for easier withdrawals, and address ongoing regulatory concerns. Increasing US compatibility would broaden access, ensuring a better service for global users. Binance remains a top choice for experienced traders due to its vast array of features and competitive fees. However, regulatory issues and its complex interface may deter beginners. Overall rating, 4.5 out of 5 stars.
Subscribe now.